Hi guys, Ira here and it's finally December, my birth month, and I decided to make a vlog. Actually, it should be 12 days before my birthday because my birthday is on December 12. Pero yesterday, I was not able to vlog and go out because walang electricity sa dorm. Plus, ang gloomy ng weather, and if it's gloomy, ayoko lumalabas because I feel sad. Like, nagre-refresh yung mga childhood memories ko and I don't like it. So, yeah, today, meron akong klase by the way, and meron kaming, every Monday kasi yung Hebrew class namin, and meron kaming vocabulary quiz. So, I haven't started yet, pero magkakabisado ako. Right now, I'm sick. Plus, ang dami kong iniisip. Maybe because of the weather, kaya ganito. Plus, meron akong dysmenorrhea. So, I'm thinking of not going to class. Pero kasi meron akong absent before when I was sick then last September. So, I feel like I think I have to go to class since today is our last day. Next week is our final exam. So, magkakabisado ako. Pero alam niyo ba, like 2 to 3 months ago, I was just thinking, paano kaya kung maging busy ako? Wala na akong times para magdrama-drama, alam niyo yung mga kawaehan. And these days, nangyayari na siya. Like, hindi ko na kaya yung mga ginagawa ko. There are things na hindi ko na nagagampanan. Totoo pala, no, kapag iniisip mo, mangyayari yun. Kaya totoo pala na dapat in everything, dapat pag-isipan mo mabuti lahat ng sasabihin mo, lahat ng gagawin mo, lahat ng ipapasok mo sa isip mo. Kasi there's a possibility na mangyayari yung mga to. This is something nito. But actually, alam niyo ba, niyaya ko ng mga friends ko to have coffee with them because pansin nila na hindi maganda yung mood ko. Actually, yun nga, dahil marami akong iniisip kagabi pa, I try to sleep early. Sabi ko, baka kulang ako sa tulog. But still, I'm not feeling well. And, yeah, meron pa akong dysmenorrhea. So, sabi ko, I feel like I wanna throw up. So, I told them na bukas na lang kami mag-coffee, gano'n. Kasi, hindi ako comfortable. And, mahalata at masisira ko lang yung mood nila. Ayun, so, nag-makeup pa nga ako actually kasi ayokong mahalata na rin na I'm not in the mood. Nag-makeup pa ako pero napansin pa din nila na hindi ako okay. But anyway, okay lang yun. By the way guys, na-notice niyo ba yung aking hair? Nagpa-perm ako last Saturday from Vlog Salon and I'm so happy. Look, cause you know when I was high school, it was not high school when I was college, first year college, meron mga visitors sa amin, sa bahay namin, and pinurb nila yung hair ko. That time, I don't know how to take care of my hair, so parang naglas lang siya ng matigas, ganun. Kasi niliguan ko na din siya agad. Pero I really liked it. And gusto ko talaga magpa-perm kahit nung last na pag-uwi ko ng Pilipinas. It's just that na-reject nila yung aking buhok because it was bleached 2 years ago. Actually, kaya talagang sobrang na-amaze ako sa Vogue Salon sa Hongdae nung sinabi nila na kaya nilang gawin yun. Kaya nilang gawin yun. See? Ganda niya. Para sa akin maganda siya. Hindi naman siya maayos ngayon kasi nga nakahiga ako kanina. Tumayo lang ako kasi gusto kong mag-video and gusto kong gawin yung 12 vlogs before my birthday. So guys, I hope you are watching up to this time. And panoorin niyo ako and like and subscribe na video. You can also suggest the content na pwede kong gawin while I'm here in South Korea. Kasi I really want to document my life. It's just I don't have time to edit things. But yeah. Ko, by the way, bunk bed yung namin, yung dorm namin. So, nandito ako ngayon sa aking higaan. Kuha man tayo ng aking thumbnail. Tiyanak! Dito kita na agad pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung view sa labas. Di ba? Sobrang gloomy niya. May mga tira-tira pa rin ng mga snow. Tapos, ayan, autumn. Naubos na yung ano. But ganun talaga. Yung so, guys, still planning kung pupunta ako ng class. Pero, let's see. I showed up.
The last of all iron. Why is it called double iron? porcelain, which is in the iron place, topo. Okay, when you see the same building, you see some art. The light you see, it is following the kind of line or painted without.
So guys, tapos na yung klase ko. Actually, we were dismissed so early kasi tapos na yung klase. Final exam na next week, but we had some meeting for our mission trip to Thailand this coming February. Medyo naiinis ako sa kaklase ko. Hindi ako natutuwa. Babastusan ako. Yung mga pet peeve mo, yung kausap mo tapos nagka-cellphone. Ganun. Anyway, pangit ko naman. Let's go for dinner.